Nobody is a born rider, and we were all beginners at the beginning. Like most people, I was taught to ride a bike since I was at a very young age. However, about 5% Americans don't know how to ride a bike, and most of them would love to learn. Now, e-bikes prevail, more and more riders start to enjoy riding outdoors, which has been part of life. Hello everyone, welcome to How 10 Tips. If you know nothing about how to ride an e-bike, take a couple of minutes, watch and practice, and you'll manage it. Let's start. First, choose an e-bike suitable for you. As a beginner, power or speed is never the top factor that influences your choice, but the appearance or model. Choose the model suitable for your height is of great importance. Take me as an example, I'm 5'6", so if you are as tall as me or shorter, then Magicycle Cruiser is absolutely not your choice. But if you are like 5'10" or 6'3", who can breathe the air upon my head, then Cruiser is definitely your first e-bike. Of course, if you are experienced or skilled rider, height is not the only factor that influences your choice. But today, I was a beginner with Jaguarundi, the fat tire, 20 inches fat tire e-bike. And this is a low step-through model which is very friendly to e-bike beginners. If you want to know more about our Jaguarundi, then you can click the link below and learn more on our official website. Second, protect yourself. For the consideration of safety, I highly suggest that you should wear a helmet. You don't need to wear kind of like professional riding shoes, but also you cannot wear jerseys in case of some accidents, you know. No matter you ride on-road or off-road, wear a helmet every time you ride. Third, choose a good place. Actually, I've seen so many experienced riders who are shocked by the acceleration of an e-bike the first time they confidently ride an e-bike. That is one difference between an electric bike and a traditional bike. If it's the first time to ride an e-bike, choose a local park, flat land, or even a parking lot. That would be great. After all these preparations, now you're ready to get on your e-bike. However, before you go, you need to adjust the height of the seat. It's very simple. Loose the clamp and then adjust the seat. Generally, after you adjust the seat, you can put your foot on the pedal to the lowest with your knees bent a little bit. And when you sit on it, you can also put your foot on the ground. Well, slightly tiptoe is also acceptable. Now, get on your bike and let's start practicing. Step 1. Familiarize the brakes. What you hold is handlebar. On the left side of your handlebar is the front brake lever, and on the right side of your handlebar is the rear brake lever. Remember that they will protect you. Jaguarundi has 180mm rotor hydraulic brakes, so you don't need to worry about the stop power of it. Put your hands on the handlebar and lift 1 or 2 fingers and the lever so you can brake anytime you like. Try to pull the brake lever and make sure they are well installed. Step 2. Familiarize yourself with the bike itself. Now you're sitting on your e-bike which has not been turned on yet. What you need to do now is learn to balance. The method to practice is very simple. You only need to put your feet on the ground and then walk straight. Sometimes you feel the speed and you can slide on the bike. At first, you might just stay at the ground because of fear, but when you think it is okay, head up and slide on the bike again. It's weird, but the truth is, when you head up, you can better balance your e-bike. Step 3. Familiarize yourself with the throttle. When you can slide on your e-bike, it's time to wake it up. Press the power button for 2 seconds, you can turn on your Magicycle Jaguarundi. Then slightly twist the throttle, get a speed that you can keep up with. When you get used to it, speed up and lift your feet up, you can feel your e-bike is leading you. Of course, don't forget you can pull the brake if you think it is too fast. And I know fear to speed is the barrier, but another truth is that it's hard to balance your e-bike when it is too slow. Step 4. Familiarize yourself with the pedal. After you are familiar with the throttle, now you can really ride your e-bike. Now use the throttle and speed up and gently put your feet on the pedal. And you don't need to jump to stroke it. Actually, you can feel the speed, like feel your feet on the pedal. When you're ready, pedal it. Most beginners will think about the action of pedal and put their focus on the feet, and that will lead you to mess up the thing. Like some ideas will come to mind, like where's my pedal, and should I pedal right or left, something like that. Don't worry, practice makes perfect. What's more, Jack Roundy is paired with 52-valve system, so for beginners, you won't be afraid of riding uphill and you'll love the feeling of speed up. That's it. I hope you can learn to ride an e-bike by watching this video, and if you think it is helpful, please give me a thumbs up. And you can subscribe our channel and learn more about e-bikes. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next update.